This is the whipped chain stitch. Before we begin, first create a foundation of chain stitch. This serves as the baseline. Let me demonstrate. Bring your needle up on the right end of the line. Go back down in the same hole. Don't pull tight. Leave a loop on top of the fabric. Bring your needle up 1 stitch length forward. Pay attention here. The needle must come up through the loop. Pull through. This creates a chain link. Let me show you again. Go back down in the same hole. Again, don't pull tight. Use your finger to hold it in place. To prevent it from moving, come up 1 stitch length forward. The needle goes through the loop. This forms a chain link. Make sure the needle comes up through the loop each time. This creates the interlocking chain effect. Following these steps, complete the entire chain stitch line. Keep the length of each chain link consistent. This makes the line look neat. Ensure your needle comes up inside the loop each time, not outside. Outside the loop won't create the interlocking effect. Bring your needle down at the outer edge. Secure it on the back with a knot. Then thread your needle with a different color. To whip around the chain, bring your needle up in the middle of the first link. Slide your needle under the first chain link. Pull it upward. Note, only go through the thread, not the fabric. Don't bring your needle down through the fabric. Simply slide your needle under the chain link and pull it up from underneath. Don't pull too tight when threading through. Keep a balanced tension. If you pull too tight, the final line will look wrinkled. This affects the appearance. This stitch is perfect for outlining edges. It creates a beautiful effect. Bring your needle down for the last stitch. The whipped chain stitch is complete. Let's see the finished result.